Intelligent manufacturing drives the future of mobility. Tianma operates industry-leading, fully automated production lines. Among them, the landmark Tianma Wuhu facility spans 590,000 square meters, with 43,000 square meters of automated high-bay warehousing. Annual capacity will reach 15 million units in 2025, scaling to 24 million units by 2030. Digital transformation is fully integrated across the facility. Automated shuttle systems and overhead conveyors work in tandem with OHT and AGVs to deliver materials directly to production lines. A pull system logistics chain ensures end-to-end connectivity, supporting 24/7 operations, enabling contact-free material flow and fully automated production. Integrated AOI performs end-to-end self-inspection, supported by industry-leading 2D and 3D line scan camera solutions that eliminate defects at the source. Intelligent transformation accelerates value creation through AI integration across the entire value chain. With a people-centric approach to stable production, we uphold rigorous quality standards and precision manufacturing at every step, delivering world-class display solutions for every in-vehicle application. Tianma Wuhu, partnering with you to power intelligent mobility and shape the future of automotive.